let's learn about shapes. This is a circle. A circle is round and has no corners. Can you find something round around you? Here are some examples of circles in our daily life. A donut. A ball. A clock. A globe. The sun. A music disc. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, just like a square, but 2 sides are longer. Here are some examples of rectangles in our daily life. A window. A book. A phone. A flag. An envelope. A calculator. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Can you think of something shaped like a triangle? Here are some examples of triangles in our daily life. A Christmas tree. A slice of watermelon. A party hat. A slice of pizza. A warning sign. An ice cream cone. This is a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Do you see anything square-shaped? Here are some examples of squares in our daily life. A dice. A pillow. A gift box. A cake. A Rubik's Cube. A calendar. This is an oval. An oval looks like a stretched out circle, like an egg. Here are some examples of ovals in our daily life. A balloon. A mirror. An egg. An American football. A lemon. A tag. This is a heart. A heart is the shape of love. Here are some examples of hearts in our daily life. Eyeglasses. A pendant. A padlock. A cake. A strawberry. A lollipop. This is a rhombus. A rhombus has 4 equal sides, and its opposite angles are the same. Here are some examples of rhombuses in our daily life. A diamond. A kite. A button. A spinning top. Earrings. A trowel. This is a semicircle. A semicircle is half of a circle. Here are some examples of semicircles in our daily life. A satellite. An igloo. A protractor. A cup. A mushroom. An umbrella. This is a star. A star has 5 points and shines in the sky at night. Here are some examples of stars in our daily life. A starfruit. A starfish. A biscuit. A lantern. A wand. This is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Here are some examples of hexagons in our daily life. A tile. A bolt nut. A honeycomb. A go sign. A snowflake. A jar. This is a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Here are some examples of pentagons in our daily life. A poppet toy. A house. A clock. A jewelry box. A flower. A flower pot. This is a crescent. A crescent shape looks like the moon in the night sky. Here are some examples of crescents in our daily life. The moon. A banana. Cashew nuts. A red chili. An eggplant. Bread. Great job, kids! Now you know the different shapes around us. Now it's your turn. Can you share other shapes that we didn't mention that can be found in our daily life? Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Don't forget to follow and turn on the notification bell so you're always updated when I post something new. Your support means everything. Let's grow this community together.